myself Saundarya. I am the in charge of Akshara Global School branch to SN Pate. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಧೂರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೂವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಾರತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ.
Myself Savita, Principal of Akshara Global School. We are very happy to opening our second branch in SN Pate. Credo Montessori Lab we have. What you are going to see here, this is a Montessori lab. Here also we have playgroup, LKG, nursery, UKG, Montessori based equipments. You can watch the equipments and the playground, safety wise, hygiene, everywhere CCTVs are there, and security wise in each class, nannies with a mentor will available here. We are very happy to and we are very proud to work here in Akshara Global School. Second branch Akshara Global School is located in SN Pate Suninfra apartment beside Ballari.
ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯ ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತು ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ.